Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy. Monopolists maximize profit where marginal revenue equals marginal cost. So let's quickly solve how a rent increase changes the total economic profit for this firm. Rent is a fixed cost, meaning it does not change with the quantity produced. Therefore, the marginal cost curve remains exactly the same even when the total rent increases significantly. Since marginal revenue and marginal cost are unchanged, the profit maximizing quantity stays at 10 units. We simply multiply the change in average fixed cost by this constant level of output. Multiplying the $1 increase by 10 units yields a $10 profit decrease. This makes option C the final answer for this problem. Well done! Scan the code, you can learn better with Sovi. Watch signs carefully, trust given data, and check steps to avoid a rush.